So how much does YouTube pay per view? How much would YouTube pay you for a 1,000,000 view video? Well, in today's video, what I want to do is I'm going to show you how much YouTube has paid me for two 300,000 view videos. Now, here's the reason why I want to show you this. And it's pretty simple. Many people tell me, and I talk a lot about creating YouTube videos. I have over 30 YouTube channels, and I always talk about how you can't rely on just YouTube ads to make money. Well, here's the reason why I want to bring this up. Because a lot of people tell me, I don't want to do YouTube because I can't wait a year to get my 4,000 hours of watch time. I can't wait a couple years until I get to 1,000 subscribers to start making money with YouTube. And I get it. You can't wait a year or 2 years to receive an income. Nobody can, and I can't blame you for that. However, what you need to understand, and I'm going to show you on my computer, show you the actual screenshots. Okay, I'll walk you through my actual account and show you how much YouTube has paid me for two different videos. Okay, and the reason why I want to show you this is because YouTube has paid me very little compared to what I've actually made from these different videos. So, first thing I want to do, okay, I want to give you a couple tips when it comes to creating videos. The first tip that I want to give you guys when it comes to creating videos in order to make money on YouTube is you need to create longer form videos. And I say this because a lot of people would only make short videos. 5-minute long videos, 6-minute long videos, 7-minute long videos. And that's great, it still works and still make money. But what I've come to realize is if you have videos that are longer than 10 minutes, you can add actual YouTube ads inside those videos, somewhere within the video, and you can make a little bit more money. But here's the real kicker, and this is what has really propelled me and my business on YouTube is I've been creating videos that are 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes long. And the reason I do this is because with a 5-minute long video, somebody comes in, sees your video, let's say on how to make money online. If they don't see what they want in that video, they're probably never going to come back. They're not going to buy your product, your course, your service, or anything you recommend. But if you have a 30-minute long video and you answer all their questions, okay, you knock down all those hurdles, all those struggles that they're having, and now they have no excuse as to why this service would not work for them, this product would not work for them, this course would not help them out, get them to where they need to go. So because of that, okay, I've been creating longer form videos to answer more questions inside that video. And by doing so, usually people will either click a link in the description box, buy a product I recommend, buy a service, sign up for one of my email lists of some kind, and from that I can make more money. So that's just my number one tip, is to make longer videos. The second tip that I'm going to give you in just a second, and right after I give you that tip, we're going to dive into the computer and I'm going to show you how much money I have made, how much money YouTube has paid me for two different videos that are right at 300,000 views. So before we jump into the computer, I want to give you one additional tip, and this tip is huge. When I first started on YouTube, let me give you a little story along with that tip, but when I first started on YouTube, I was creating videos on making money, blogging, stuff like that. Okay, that was on a previous channel. Now, for this channel, what I did was I started my Homemade Entrepreneur channel mainly talking about reselling and selling different products on eBay and Amazon. And I created video after video after video. There was weeks where I created 7 to 10 different videos every single week. And what happened was my audience would stay the same. My views would slowly go up. My audience hardly ever grew. It was all level. And here's the reason why. The reason why my audience stayed the same and didn't grow was because I was talking about the same stuff. Okay, I didn't have anything new where I was bringing in a new audience to learn about this new online business. Or when I say new, it wasn't technically new. Amazon FBA was starting to get a little bit more steam, more people were talking about it. And so because of that, I started bringing in more people talking about different ways to make money online, mindset, home-based businesses, stuff like that. And by bringing in more people, more outsiders, more people that were not subscribed to my channel, what happened was my channel really started to grow and take off, which meant I could potentially make more money talking about these different things than I were to actually make from my main business topic, which was reselling at that time. So that's my little story for you. So the tip that I have for you guys, if you didn't pick up on it yet, is don't just talk about one specific topic. I know people that just talk about real estate, and they do fine, but if you don't come in onto YouTube already wanting to learn about real estate, and you want to learn about stocks or just investing or finances or just money in general, if you don't type in real estate, you're not going to find those channels. So what I suggest is you start creating videos on personal finance, and you start creating videos on stock markets, and you start creating videos on forex trading and all other online businesses and other investing platforms and strategies, because that's what's going to bring in a new audience to help push them into the direction that you think would be best for them, your ideal business, which maybe is real estate. So I know I've talked enough. You want to see exactly how much I made from 2 different YouTube videos that are all right about 300,000 views. So let's jump in the computer and let's do that right now. Here are some of the videos, okay? So I'm going to show you 2 different videos. These were all done years ago, okay? And you can kind of see it right here. This video right here has, to this day, 312,000 views on the channel, on the video, okay? I'm going to show you one other video. It's this one right here. This video has 288.5 thousand views on this channel, okay? Now, this one is not at 300,000 yet. This one is a little over 300,000. The 2 combined go up to right about 600,000 views. Now, how much money have I made? Okay? I want to show you this video first. Okay, now I'm not going to play the video. You can go and watch it if you want to. But this video right here, how I mastered sourcing TJ Maxx, make money sourcing. This is what I'm talking about. This is one of those videos that I was promoting a service. I was promoting a course at that time, and I was just talking about reselling. Okay, so how I mastered sourcing TJ Maxx. I created this video. This video was published July 18, 2016. Now, with that said, okay, look at the views. Okay, the first week, okay, you can see the views on it, then they go down, okay, right about 70, 50, then they come up again, okay. This video was created July 18, 2016. The video started to take off and get some traction about the middle of August 2017. So over a year later until it actually started to gain some traction. And you look at this. Okay, it goes up. The highest day right here, okay, Saturday, September 2nd, 2017, this video received 14,000 views, almost 15,000 views, okay? But how much money did it make? Well, let me show you this. So I click on revenue. Again, this is my channel. This is my actual studio. This is not a screenshot. Here's the revenue, okay? This video right here made $4,100, $4,148.15 over the life of the video. It started out here. Let's see, first day, nothing. Second day, $1.47. Stuck right around there. Is down. Started making $2, $2, $3 a day. Okay, started going up. The highest day, okay, was right there. Right there, yeah, right there. I made $210.61. Okay, now this isn't my highest grossing video. I've made more money from other videos than this one, but this one right here, okay, is just one of those examples. I was talking about reselling. There we go. Okay, now you can follow along and come down here. More recently over here, I made Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. I made 3 cents from this video. Okay, so maybe it got a view. I have no clue. Okay, and you kind of tracked along this way. It doesn't make a whole lot of money anymore. It really made the most money right here. Okay, about a year later, lasts for about 6 months, something like that. Okay, so that's just one example. Okay, so if we look at that, there's that reach right there. 312,000 views, revenue $4,000. Okay, so what is that, like $10, a little more than $10 per 1,000 views, right? Not bad. Okay, let's go to the next one. Actually, before we do that, okay, I want to explain something to you. This video right here, okay, this video made $4,000. Not bad, but here's the video right here. Okay, inside the description box, I have 15 profitable passive income streams, a proven list. Okay, this right here is an opt-in. Okay, so people come opt into the list. I sell them some products, stuff like that. But here, right here, is a course that I have, Amazon private label course. This course from this particular video, over the course of this time right here, okay, right around here, okay, those few months, I probably did, just from that course alone, between $12,000 to $15,000 in sales in an online course, in just that one course. Okay, I'll throw up a screenshot so that you can kind of see. Made like a little over $125,000 just from the life of that online course. So just that course alone has made much more in this video. So if you think you're going to be rich on YouTube because you're creating YouTube videos but you don't offer anything on the back end, you don't offer services, affiliate links, courses, one-on-one coaching, something like that, merchandise, you're not going to make a lot of money. The money comes from the back end stuff, not from the initial views. Let me show you the next video. Here's this one right here. This video was obviously, it did a little bit better. Okay, you see right here, November 14th. So the first day got 482 views. Then second day, kind of see it. But within the first couple weeks, within the first month, is when it really spiked. Okay, so it's called How to Create a Passive Income. Passive income in only 5 hours, and you can kind of see the video. Okay, then it'll just start to drop, tank, and there's days where I got very little views on this video, which is fine. I understand that. So 288,000 views. This video right here has made $2,500 or $2,570.18. Okay, so you can see right here the CPM is 1627. This one was 1773. Okay, so even though this is passive income and this is talking about a retail store, sourcing TJ Maxx, this one actually made me more money and made me more money per 1,000 views, which is obviously great. Okay, now with this one, okay, this one also, I believe this one also had a course I was promoting, or maybe it was just free opt-in. This one didn't make me as much money because a lot of people don't want to know about passive income. Okay, they want to learn passive income, but as far as doing the stuff to, once I revealed what it takes to create a passive income, a lot of people were not up to it. They just didn't want to do it. Okay, so keep that in mind. Right, that's what I made. This video right here, 200 and, well, it says 282, but according to this, 288,500 views on that video, and it made $2,500. Okay, so you can see right there, just because you get a video that gets 100,000 views or 1,000,000 views doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be a millionaire. Doesn't necessarily mean you're going to make $100,000. It just doesn't. That's not the way YouTube works. So if you think that just creating YouTube videos is going to make you money, that's not the way it's going to happen. You have to have something on the back end. Okay, now I'm going to put a link down in the description box below so you can go and check it out. But I'm going to show you how to make $500 per month by creating one single YouTube video. Go and watch this free training. It's like a 25 minute long training. It's a whole video, walk you through it step by step, show you how it works. But the reason why I want you to go and watch this is because this is going to tell you exactly what you need to do in order to make money off of YouTube. Okay? YouTube is just the traffic strategy. You're going to make the bulk of your money off of YouTube. So now that you just saw that, I want to give you one additional tip to really help you out and make more money when it comes to YouTube and getting traffic. Okay, now I already gave you a couple tips before this, for the whole showing you the income, but I want to give you one additional tip. That tip that I have for you is you need to create more videos. And I say this because so many people put out 15, 20, 30 different YouTube videos and think they're good. That's all I need to do. I can make enough money from those 30 videos. But here's the reason why that won't work. The majority of my videos that I have on my channel, not the top videos, but the majority of my videos are ranked for specific keywords. So what that means for me is if I stop creating YouTube videos for, say, a week, 2 weeks, or a month, my videos will still be ranked on YouTube, which means I will still make some money. So Even though I don't make a bunch of money from every single one of my videos, or I don't get thousands and thousands of views from every single one of my videos, I'm fine with that, because I know I'm pumping out more and more content. The more videos I publish, the more chances are I will have a video that's on the top of the search, which means anybody types in that search term, they'll find my video, they'll click on it, watch it, and I'll make a little bit of money from YouTube ads, plus any of the back end stuff that I am promoting inside the description box. So that's what I like to do. So my advice to you is to target specific keywords so that your videos can be ranked, which means you don't have to keep publishing videos every single day. You can skip a day, you can skip weeks, you can skip a month, and your income will stay the same. That's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you learned a little bit about how YouTube works, how much money you could potentially make. I know a lot of people think that YouTubers don't make any money. They're absolutely poor. Some of them are. Some don't make no money. Some make absolutely nothing. Okay? I do make a good amount of money from YouTube, from the YouTube ads, but I make the bulk of my money. When I say bulk, I'm talking the bulk of my money from affiliate marketing links from other companies, by selling courses, and by selling coaching. That's where the bulk of my income comes from. It doesn't come from the YouTube ad revenue I get from Google AdSense. So, if you guys have any questions on that, you can always ask questions down in the comment section below. Like I said, go and check out that free training where I show you how to make $500 per month by creating one single YouTube video. But if you have any other questions, comment down below and I'll help you out there. So like always, if you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, smash that thumbs up button because it helps out the video. And subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys on the next one.